Every now and then some app or website experience a server down issue or some other problem today. A problem is being seen is DV Legend, a communication error has occurred. Error code CR190001-5495. This is the error that is showing now. Tell us in the comments, are you also seeing this error? And or is the game not working properly? Are you unable to play the game or are you facing any other issue? We are going to tell how to fix it. Okay, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are now. So let's get started. First off, I'll check the live status server download after. If many users are reporting that the same problem, then it will need to wait the developer fix it. If the server are working to normally update the game and latest version, restart your device, check your internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also clear the game cache, then open the game again. If the problem still continue, wait for the next update or connected the game support team.